viewers, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today we are going to be making poha. Many states across India have their own version of this delicious dish. Today I am presenting to you my version of it. Let's begin. We will need half medium-sized onion thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons coriander leaves chopped fine, 1 to 2 green chilies slit, a sprig of curry leaves, juice of half a lemon, poha or flattened rice 2 cups. Now poha is available in 3 thicknesses: thin, medium and thick. I have used the medium variety. Try to use the same. If not, wash and soak whatever poha is available to you as appropriate until it is soft. Peanuts 2 tablespoons, cumin seeds 1/4 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1/2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, oil 2 to 3 tablespoons and salt to taste. To begin, heat oil in a pan. When it's moderately hot, add the peanuts and fry until golden in color. Now add the cumin and mustard seeds. Once they splutter, add in the onions, green chilies and curry leaves. Saute the onions until translucent. When the onions are about to turn light brown, add the salt, turmeric and coriander leaves. Give it a stir. Now switch off the flame and add the lemon juice. Mix it and add the poha. Stir it gently and switch on the flame. Now on a low flame, adjust the salt and sprinkle very little water, say about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and mix it gently. Cover with the lid and let it cook on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, fluff up the poha and switch off the flame. Soft and fluffy poha is ready. Garnish it with save, onions, lemon wedges, coriander leaves, pomegranate seeds, whatever you like. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.